In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your website design using Wix Editor, specifically within the Chrome browser, to take full advantage of its features. Let's dive into creating a visually appealing layout with strips, which are essential building blocks in Wix's design toolkit. First, begin by opening the Wix Editor in your preferred web browser, which we'll be assuming is Chrome for optimal performance. Having a reliable and updated browser ensures that you enjoy the best experience with no interruptions. Once you're in the editor, you'll want to locate the toolbar on the left side of your screen. This is where you will find all the tools you'll need to bring your website to life. To start adding content, go ahead and click on the Add button. This will reveal a variety of content options, but for today's focus, look for Strip. Strips are versatile containers that can help organize your content into sections across your page, providing a professional, structured appearance. You'll then be presented with two choices. You can either select a pre-designed strip from Wix's extensive library or opt for a blank one if you prefer to build your design completely from scratch. If you're new to Wix or web design, using a pre-designed strip can be a fantastic way to ensure your site looks polished right from the start. For those feeling adventurous and wanting more personalization, starting with a blank strip allows greater flexibility. Once you have your strip added to the page, the customization process begins. You'll see options to tweak the strip's background, choose a color that fits your brand, or opt for a dynamic image that resonates with your audience. You can also modify the layout to adjust how content appears within the strip, ensuring everything aligns perfectly. Next, add and finesse your content blocks. These can range from text boxes to images or even buttons, allowing you to create interactive elements that engage your visitors. After setting up your strip, it's important to adjust its size and position. This is crucial as it dictates how each strip fits into the overall page structure. Aim for a seamless visual flow to guide users through your content naturally and intuitively. Preview your site periodically to see how these adjustments translate to real-world viewing. With everything in place, remember to frequently save your work to avoid losing your progress. Wix offers an intuitive save feature that ensures your latest modifications are secured. Finally, when you're satisfied with how your site looks and functions, it's time to publish. Publishing makes your website live on the internet, allowing visitors to appreciate your hard work. By the end of this process, you should have a well-organized site that not only looks appealing, but also functions smoothly. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a beginner, incorporating strips within Wix is an effective way to elevate your website's aesthetic and navigational quality. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find the creative process enjoyable and fulfilling.